Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and are ready for the weekend off finally, and Jamie is back today, so finally I've been missing him. It's been 5 days of peace and tranquility. Guys, today's Friday freebie is a very special free printable because I have created this with using one of the paper of my very second best-selling kit called Bright Bouquet. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to the desk. So Friday freebie, ta-da, it's this one here. So this one goes really well with my Bright Bouquet digital kit. So I have used one of the background to create this pillow box and these butterflies embellishments, so they can be used for anything that you want. You just simply fussy cut them and put it all together. Now I've already made the pillow box here, and ta-da, that's my pillow box. So it opens this way and on that side as well. So it opens like that. And what I did, I put on top, which is still a bit wet. Oh yeah, it's massively oops. Yeah, can you see the glue? Yeah, it's still wet. In the beginning of the week, on Monday, I showed you we did a origami leaves tutorial. So I'll show you how to make these leaves, and we have used the Bright Bouquet digital paper. So I'm going to show you in just a second really quickly the kit. This kit is called Bright Bouquet. I'll let you guess why. I'm hoping that the colors showcase on camera like as it should do, because they are extremely bright. And I must admit, I'm not a big fan of very bright colors, but this kit is probably now becoming one of my favorite. So it has two colors as a main color palette. It's pink and baby blue. It's like this, it's not teal, but it's not turquoise, it's in between. And I'm hoping that the camera do them justice. So you've got a couple of backgrounds. I hope you can see this wooden palette to fit. And you've got these really bright, very bright flowers. You can either fussy cut them if you wish to. Okay, I love these. This is my centerpiece, as I would describe it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Look at that. Look at this. And what I did a layering of roses, peony, flowers, leaves, wooden effect, texture, dots. So it's very intricate. It's quite yeah, it's a lot of details on this. Wouldn't be my kit without some tags, so you can make your own tags. And what I did here guys, I put the pictures into 4 card base, so they can be used as a card base or also as vintage cards. You can either fold it in half and make mini notebooks. You can use this as you pleased. Then it's a very full kit, so you've got everything. You've got some envelopes. So this is the scallop envelope, and then this one here, you just need to fold that and you get the envelope. And we got a page full of embellishments. So you've got some balloons, some tabs, some flowers, some big balloons. So if you do like a celebrating card, that's quite cool. And last but not least, you get 2 huge tags. Now with this guys, what you can do if you wanted to, it's just an option, you can fold this like that and have 2 more envelopes, and then you get 3 huge nice bright butterflies. Okay, and then I showed you on Monday how to make the leaves, and we create this embellishment. Still got them on my desk, so I'll just show you really quickly again. So this is one, then I make a couple of cards. That's one. So I have used the flowers and then the leaves. I love them. And then I also made some more embellishment. Created this pink and purple leaves. So I love this. It's called Bright Bouquet. So I've put a link down below, and I'll also put the link of Monday video in case you guys want to go back and watch it. But yeah, look at that. Love it, love it. Guys, that is it. So you got a free pillow box, and what you can do, you can cut it, use it as a template as well. So if you want to make your own pillow boxes, but if you use some of the papers, you can make this really nice 3D boxes. Okay, so how do you get my Friday freebie? Every Friday I shared a freebie on my channel, so you got 2 chances of getting them. So this gets sent every Friday at 9 p.m. to my newsletter. So if you register to my newsletter, you get this automatically on your email, and you don't have to do anything. So on a Friday at 9 p.m. British time, this gets sent out to everybody. So it would be a nice surprise when you check your emails. Oh, Antonio sent me a Friday freebie. So I suggest you register to my newsletter now. B, you can log in and join my Facebook group, and then on my Facebook group, I use it as an archive. So I put all my freebies I've shared in the last couple of years on my Facebook group. So what you simply do, join the group, and then on your right hand side it says file. So if you click on files, you see all the PDFs, and you just can download them up. There is, I think there is about 100, 102, 103. So yeah, plenty to keep you going. So yeah, so go there, and don't forget to join my newsletter, so you will get it on a weekly basis without you having to do anything. Before we go, guys, I just want to say massive shout out to the lovely Trish. Trish always take your time to give me a thumbs up and always leave me a comment. And I read every single one of them, guys, and I always reply, because it means a lot to me and gives me so much motivation and determination. Honestly, guys, it means the world to me. So thank you for the bottom of my heart. I got this in here. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like my Friday freebie series, a nice treat every Friday, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. And also, guys, I will put somewhere on the screen now a video link of the projects that we made together on Monday, when I showcased how to create this really nice embellishment using the Bright Bouquet kit, and also the leaves that we made with the origami technique. So somewhere there will appear a link somehow, somewhere on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next week, stay safe and well. Have a fabulous weekend and be safe. Mwah. Bye.